Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is microlearning and why is the future of education. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a different way of learning. It got the following characteristics. The term microlearning represents a perspective or modality of learning oriented to fragmentation of didactic contents, by means of which acquire certain skills. It is a different way of learning which consists of fragmenting the contents didactically to acquire certain competences. This learning is created a small step which by link each other create a deeper knowledge full of depth. This training modality consists in providing small content pills students train. This content can have several formats such as examples with videos, infographics, text documents, mobile applications, or short podcasts. Well, microlearning has been growing up a lot lately, basically because it's a different paradigm of learning compared to traditional education. For example, if you want to be a professional, you have to go to the university for years. With microlearning, you can learn a specific skill in a very short time and you can do it from your house. So it's different and I'm gonna show you the main characteristics. So the first thing is that you are starting by yourself. You are starting individual. Also, you are learning something specific. For example, one thing is to be um, computation engineer, a systems engineer, and other is to be a programmer. Programming is something very, very specific and different. So it's something that is very punctual. Um, with microlearning, you are learning a specific subject. So that's something very different as well because in traditional education, you are learning other stuff that sometimes are not related with what you are going to do when you are uh, done. It's very disruptive because it doesn't put anything that is not completely necessary. With micro learning, you are learning everything is necessary. I mean, you cannot take out anything else. So that's something very important. So it's very important to motivate, to say, and to form. This process must be pleasant, happy, and dynamic. The attitudinal subject is something that is very, very important and it will allow you to keep motivating. If you are motivated with what you are learning, you will see results in a very short period of time. With traditional education, you will have results in a long run, not in a short term. Also, something that is very important is that this is not a formal kind of learning. I mean, you will get a certification, that is it, but you will not get a diploma for microlearning. I mean, you can use Domestika, you can use Udemy. I'm sorry, but here you will have to learn how to collaborate, work based on learning, or brainstorming, or things like that. Also, something that is very important as well is that this is interactive. It means it's dynamic. Um, you could use different games. You can use gamification, and everything will be basically it will be fine, and you will see results in a very short time. The thing of the time is something very important because activities and units are very punctual and specific, and it won't take long. That's why I developed a couple of Udemy courses. If you are interested, they are in the description of this video. All the formats, this is micro learning. You are not using it presentially. You are making it, everything is online. So all the content is responsive. It means that the content must be displayed in any type of device, computers, tablets, phones, anything that you can imagine. As a conclusion, we can say that microlearning allows learn a skill, a very specific skill, in a short period of time, and is dynamic and in a fun way. Some of these courses are in platform certifies that the learn. They have a low cost compared to traditional education and go to a university. However, universities already notice this and they are dropping a couple of courses, but in specific subjects, especially programming and user interface. However, there are platforms that already are very, very skillful in this, like Domestika, for example. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember, our Udemy courses are already available. In the description of this video are the link. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish and every Thursday a new video in English. Thank you so much and we'll see you next time.